In April, as the Earth shakes off its winter slumber, Earth Day arrives right on schedule. In Chengdu, a park city blessed with snow mountains, the spirit of spring flows through every street and alley, pulsing in the daily rhythm of millions of people committed to ecological preservation. As a benchmark for green development in Western China, Chengdu is weaving blue skies and clear waters with the ingenuity of science and craftsmanship. Within this grand ecological landscape, a Malaysian environmental enterprise has quietly taken root. In a seemingly inconspicuous field, they are integrating biodegradable innovation with Chengdu's green DNA, redefining the city's eco-conscious way of life.
Hi everyone, I'm KP Soon from Singapore. I've been working in Chengdu for over 2.5 years. It's coming to 3 years. GCOF Group established in year 2017. We have focused on this transformative solution to eliminate the single-use plastic.
Singaporean Soon Guoping is the Chief Financial Officer and General Manager of GCOF Group. Founded in 2017, this foreign-funded company is now based in the Sino-German Pujiang SME Cooperation Zone in Chengdu. The products it manufactures are tucked into the unnoticed corners of everyday life.
像这一个就是所谓的蘑菇碗，就是可以一些蔬菜类的水果都可以放在里头。这些就是一些杯托产品。像这一个就是超级碗，现阶段我们也就是他们的独家的一个供应商。一些刀叉勺，基本上它的硬度和它的那个尖锐度其实是可以拿来吃牛扒用。以我们的这些纸浆魔术的话，你只要把它放在自然的环境里头的话，6到9个月它自然降解。然后塑料的话，我们都知道它基本上会在这个地球上面待个几万年都可能的那种。
According to Soon, compared to traditional pulp manufacturing methods, their innovative plant fiber extraction process uses bamboo and sugarcane, both specialties of Sichuan, as raw materials. These materials not only offer the strength and impermeability properties of plastic, but also significantly reduces water consumption and pollution. The end products are fully biodegradable, recyclable, and compostable.
这个花盆其实就我们有拿到一个法国还有美国的一个设计奖，除了单纯做一个花盆的实用性之外，其实如果就植物它慢慢长大了，你要把它转换成另外更大的盆的话，只要直接把它摘下去就是了。它就是竹浆和甘蔗浆为主，在自然的环境底下，6到9个月它就会完全自己降解。
Today, GCOF Group's production base in Chengdu is equipped with a complete automated pulping system, fully automatic forming machines, and a prototyping line. Around 80% of its products are exported to the United States, Europe, and other regions. In Soon Guoping's view, these achievements are a direct result of the company's decision to settle in Chengdu.
Chengdu is a mega city that with over 20 million of this population. So this is a very huge opportunity in the packaging market. So we have chosen Pujiang, this Sino-German this industrial park, because geographically is actually has an advantage, and also here they actually have a very excellent this business environment. The local governments here, they have a concept of this ecological civilization, which is very aligned with our this so-called philosophy. Put it in this way, they can actually come visit us quite frequently and then actually listen to us what is our need. Sichuan has a very huge bamboo resources. This is a hometown of Panda, so we have this very huge bamboo coverage. These facilities has effectively shortened this transportation distance. It's actually helped us to achieve the so-called low carbon emission goal, and this enhancing our this material resilience and also stability on this kind of supply chain. Pujiang Sino-German Industrial Park is actually located in Seoul, which is a gateway for this China-Euro Railway Express, which allowing us to export our products most effectively to Europe. This area is actually connected to many highways. Logistics is very convenient and very efficient.
From its early establishment to the present, G-Cove Group's production base in Chengdu has entered a phase of steady growth. Meanwhile, Sun Guoping, who has quietly taken root in the city, continues to deepen his connection with Chengdu.
After 2 years of living in Pujiang, I think I can get about 60-70% of this Sichuan dialects. Really. Singapore is famous with like so-called garden city. And then Chengdu, I would say, is also considered a garden or park city because surrounding Chengdu itself, there are a lot of parks. Even in the center of Chengdu, there are also some of the parks that people then can do their exercise, and then they can actually have some tea. So it makes this Chengdu is a very so-called good livable city. Not only for the businesses, but also for these residents to live in this city itself. Especially like generation like me and younger than me, everyone willing to actually pay a little bit more in order to actually make our health, our Earth, this planet is actually a livable place. And single-use plastic will be eliminated in future for sure. Yeah.